Lesson: Regulatory Compliance and Contractual Obligations. Regulatory compliance and contractual obligations are critical components of legal frameworks that professionals must navigate meticulously to mitigate risks and ensure adherence to established standards. Understanding these elements is fundamental for anyone involved in contract development, management, or execution. At the heart of compliance is the need to align organizational practices with applicable laws and regulations, as well as to fulfill contractual promises. To effectively manage these responsibilities, professionals can employ a variety of practical tools and frameworks designed to enhance compliance and mitigate risks. One of the most effective frameworks for managing regulatory compliance is the Compliance Management System. A robust CMS incorporates policies, procedures, and processes that ensure an organization meets its legal obligations. The first step in implementing a CMS involves conducting a comprehensive risk assessment to identify potential areas of non-compliance. This assessment should consider both external regulations, such as industry-specific legislation, and internal policies. By prioritizing risks based on their potential impact, organizations can allocate resources more effectively and implement targeted compliance strategies. For instance, a financial institution might use a CMS to ensure adherence to anti-money laundering regulations. By integrating sophisticated software tools that monitor transactions and flag suspicious activities, the institution can automate parts of its compliance efforts, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. Such tools not only support compliance, but also provide valuable data analytics that can guide strategic decision-making. In addition to CMS, contractual obligations require their own specific set of tools and frameworks. One widely used approach is the Contract Lifecycle Management System. A CLM system provides a structured framework for managing contracts from creation through execution and renewal or termination. By digitizing contracts and centralizing them within an accessible platform, organizations can ensure greater visibility into their contractual obligations and deadlines, thereby reducing the risk of breaches or missed opportunities. A practical application of CLM can be seen in the construction industry, where complex projects often involve multiple subcontractors and suppliers. Utilizing a CLM system allows project managers to track deliverables, payments, and compliance with safety regulations in real time. This oversight not only helps in maintaining project timelines, but also in mitigating legal risks associated with contractual noncompliance. Moreover, the integration of technology in managing contractual obligations cannot be overstated. Advanced contract management software solutions offer features such as automated alerts for key dates, AI-driven contract analysis, and performance tracking dashboards. These tools facilitate proactive management by identifying potential issues before they escalate into legal disputes. For example, a tech company employing AI-driven contract analysis can quickly scan through thousands of contracts to identify non-standard clauses that may pose compliance risks, thereby enabling preemptive corrective measures. The importance of regulatory compliance and contractual obligations is further underscored by prominent case studies that highlight both successes and failures in these areas. A notable example is the Volkswagen emissions scandal, where the car manufacturer faced significant penalties for non-compliance with environmental regulations. This case illustrates the dire consequences of neglecting regulatory compliance, including financial losses, reputational damage, and legal repercussions. Conversely, companies like Microsoft have been praised for their rigorous compliance frameworks, which have allowed them to navigate complex international regulations effectively. Microsoft's success is attributed to its investment in compliance infrastructure and ongoing training programs that keep employees informed about evolving regulatory landscapes. To enhance proficiency in managing regulatory compliance and contractual obligations, professionals must stay informed about the latest legal developments and best practices. Engaging in continuous education, such as certifications in contract risk mitigation and compliance, provides valuable insights and updates that are essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Furthermore, developing strong communication skills is crucial for negotiating contracts and ensuring that all parties understand their respective obligations and rights. Clear communication minimizes misunderstandings and fosters cooperative relationships, which are vital for successful compliance management. Statistics reinforce the significance of compliance and contractual management. According to a study by Deloitte, companies with comprehensive compliance programs incur 30% fewer legal costs compared to those without such frameworks. This statistic highlights the tangible benefits of investing in compliance infrastructure. Additionally, a report by Gartner predicts that by 2025, artificial intelligence will reduce operating costs associated with contract management by up to 50%. These figures underscore the transformative potential of technology in enhancing compliance and contract management processes. In conclusion, regulatory compliance and contractual obligations are fundamental aspects of risk mitigation that require diligent management and strategic planning. By employing tools such as compliance management systems and contract lifecycle management systems, organizations can streamline their compliance efforts and minimize risks associated with contractual breaches. The integration of technology, continuous education, and effective communication further enhance the ability to navigate these complex areas successfully. Learning from real-world examples and staying abreast of legal developments are crucial for maintaining compliance and achieving organizational goals. As the landscape of regulatory requirements continues to evolve, professionals must remain adaptable and proactive in their approach to compliance and contractual management.